I have always been representing my country, and in more than many ways, I associate myself today more with my country than I think anything else. Recently from ASSOCHAM, we had actually led the whole entertainment delegation to the Cannes Film Festival, which you know is the biggest film festival on the face of earth. Then a lot of things we do. I was in Tokyo representing the Indian telecom industry. I think we take great pride. We take great pride in where India has reached over the past few years. New technologies have come in. I think in a month's time I'll again be in Berlin representing India on the regulatory issues. And I think you know about WIPO, which is the World IPR Organization copyrights. So I think what I would like to say is that I have seen within a short span of time how India has progressed in telecommunication, new technologies, and also I have seen how the MNCs have come here and started marketing themselves. Today I think I don't need to introduce India in any of the major global platforms. I just say one statement: if you're not in India, you are not in business. So we have reached that stage. And I'm very happy that Latents has today not only come to do business in India, but they have seriously taken India to open their office in Delhi and to do their R&D in a major way out of Hyderabad. I think I must also mention that today the median entertainment industry is at 580 billion Indian rupees, which is a huge number and is growing at about 12%. Out of that, our TV industry, television industry, contributes 265 billion and is growing at the rate of 13%. These are good numbers, but I must tell you that there's a great amount of pilferage of revenue because of piracy. And that's where I think content protection, something like Latents, becomes very important. And you must be aware also that a parallel economy does exist in the cable industry, in the television industry, besides piracy. That is due to non-disclosure. And I think the government has been trying its best to implement CAS. So when conditional access comes in a major way, which is of course the way forward and the progression that's going to happen, inevitable, sooner or later it will come in. I'm sure Latents will have a major role to play. And we welcome it because, whether it be IPTV, cable TV, DTH, internet, protection and privacy are the two important and most critical words. And therefore, I think I'm sure with their right content protection, which is software based, very few have them, and which is unified. So, we are all looking at hybrid boxes which can address multiple platforms. Latents will find the right market in India. Again, India is like a volume market. So I'm sure that soon they will be able to stand on the platform near the press and say that India is our largest market. That's what I would wish in the days to come. And I can assure you, Mark, that you have made the right choice. It's not about, India being a cheap market. It is about good quality at optimum price. We give you the best quality at a very good price. So I think you have made the right choice in coming to this market, opening your R&D. So we will be like your home for global market. We are proud of it.